following video is a stub concerning information your computer is greedily storing about you in super cookies and files and such. Yeah, okay. But what this is really about is being able to recover things that you didn't know you have backup copies of. If you're not aware of it in the old days, web browsers like Internet Explorer and many others would store information about everything you did, and if you aren't aware of this, maybe you're too young, this was something that was very embarrassing to corporations like Microsoft Corporation. This is in the before time, before it was just openly everybody spying on you. But all the way back to Windows XP and actually even older, Internet Explorer specifically, but also web browsers in general, would keep backup copies of everything you did on the computer, supposedly to act as a cache, so that you could load up pages faster. But it was more than that. It was more at the website's information being saved on your computer, and Internet Explorer and Microsoft Corporation using it to spy on you, and later on all of those websites would then make it bidirectional. They could steal things from your computer. So people would get someone like me to write a piece of software that would constantly flush it clean. We had to fight for the right to erase our caches and temp directories because Microsoft Corporation, they're evil now, but you don't realize how bad they were in the past. This got them in a huge amount of trouble. But anyway, you can watch a YouTube video tutorial on how to use a piece of software to learn about this, and it's Decache Exporter. And it works on Windows XP and up, and it's being taken advantage of for a useful thing. Because it would keep a backup copy of things you watched on YouTube or other websites, it would save things without you knowing about it, including things that have been missing. And it uses a piece of software that downloads a list of things that are part of lost media and does an intelligent job analyzing that data. Now, two purposes. One, it shows you your computer is keeping, or in the past your computer was keeping backup copies of everything you did for real bad purposes, and also to act as a cache because that's kind of useful. The other thing is missing media, things that we have lost, can be retrieved because some of you may have watched the whole YouTube video that is no longer available, or parts of it. You know, it could be useful. I have an entire video on this subject I'm going to be doing as well, probably uploaded today. An example is Super Mario 64 Big Star Secret. A full video of it existed at one time, then was deleted. Nobody knows how to get a backup copy of it. But pieces of it have been found because people didn't realize they still had a backup copy of it. Now, it'll be on some hard drive you kept that you didn't erase and then recycle or reuse. And I have a whole stack of drives with who knows what on them. And this also proves to you that, yes, at the time, web browsers and operating systems were programmed to not just keep tabs on what you did or keep caches, but actively collect information and then store it somewhere. Now they do it by just stealing it as you use services that are like, you know, Twitter or Facebook, and will never erase your information, but won't let you enjoy it at all. Back then there was some benefit for you. Now it's just for purposes of large corporations feeding AI. But back before they could figure out what to do with their evil actions and exploit it, they did. They were always looking ahead. Just so you know that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. You'll need it. There's a tutorial and a piece of software to download if you want to do this experiment. Bye.